Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World.
In this video, we are going to learn very delicious snack, cheesy chicken pockets.
Please like and subscribe my channel.
Ingredients for cheesy chicken pockets: chicken breast pieces 600 grams, mozzarella cheese 250 grams, butter for frying, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste 1 full teaspoon, oregano 1/4 teaspoon, lemon 1, red chilli powder 1.5 teaspoon, red chilli flakes 1 teaspoon and salt 1/2 teaspoon. Cut all the chicken pieces from one side as a pocket as shown. Take a bowl for marination, add ginger garlic paste, salt, red chilli powder, red chilli flakes, lemon and coriander leaves, then mix it well. Apply this marination paste to the chicken pieces thoroughly and rest it for at least 30 minutes. Take the marinated pieces and stuff the grated mozzarella cheese in the pockets. Sprinkle a pinch of red chilli powder and a pinch of oregano and pin it with toothpicks as shown. Put some butter in hot pan and add the chicken pieces for shallow fry. Fry it on medium flame. Flip it to fry all the sides evenly. Finally, sprinkle some grated cheese on the pieces and let it cook for 1 more minute. Our mouth-watering cheesy chicken pockets are ready to serve.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.